I'm so excited to be sharing my favorite cookbook of 2020, which is none other than Live Life Deliciously by author Tara Bench. And Tara is such a talent in the food space. She has an incredible resume. She spent years as an editor at Martha Stewart, at Ladies Home Journal, and just a ton of experience in the food publishing space. Her book is beautiful. The pictures are beautiful and the recipes are fantastic. The thing about Tara's experience is she literally spent her entire career really understanding the home cook. Now, that means that her recipes are written for food enthusiasts, people who like to cook maybe a bit more adventurously, but she also understands the beauty of a simple recipe, and that is what I have found in her book. A couple of the recipes that I've made that I have loved so much are this, I love it's called the Marvelously Easy Thai Peanut Curry. My family loves this. Super simple. The ingredient list is not long, but when you look at the dish all put together, it is restaurant worthy. So great. Another weeknight meal favorite for us is the lemon butter salmon with herbs and cucumber salad. So delicious, so simple. The recipes are written perfectly. There's never any question as to how a step should be executed. The ingredients are all easy to find, and really she's one of those authors that does such a beautiful job of making recipes that look as good as they taste. So, so beautiful. But maybe the real winner for me in the book are her bakery style chocolate chunk cookies. So good. You know, at some point you think you've tried all of the good chocolate chip cookie recipes. I'm here to tell you you have not. There's a secret ingredient in these cookies. I have never put this ingredient in cookies before, and boy oh boy, did it make a huge difference. So, Tara, I cannot recommend this book enough. It would be a beautiful gift for a food lover. If you've been in a cooking rut, there's no better book to get you out of that rut or start off a new year than Live Life Deliciously by Tara. She's the best of the best, and you should all grab a copy of her book.